What's the most underrated kitchen feature homeowners overlook?
I've had customers often get caught up in, because you never feel you have enough space in the kitchen, right? Like we always want more cabinets.
Yes.
And the truth is, if you put 10 cabinets, you'll fill 10. If you put 40, you'll fill 40. It's just the way it is. So too often customers get caught up in kind of maximizing the space and just throwing cabinets everywhere. And the truth is you don't need to. Having that natural light, focusing on flow and movement in that space, and I think is by far more advantageous than an extra cabinet.